Everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you activate your MetroPCS eSIM. So here's a guide to set up and activate your eSIM on your phone. Step 1, Pre-activation checklist. Before configuring your device settings, you must gather your phone's unique identification numbers and register them with Metro. Firstly, stable Wi-Fi. Your phone requires an active internet connection to download the carrier profile. Find your IMEI and EID. For iPhone, you can go to Settings, select General, and then select About. On Android, go to Settings, select About Phone, and then select Status Information or SIM status. Register the device. Log into your account portal on the official Metro by T-Mobile website. Call customer service at 1-888 Metro 8 or 1-888-863-8768, or also you can visit a retail store to provide your IMEI or EID and request an eSIM swap. Step 2, Install the eSIM profile on your device. Once Metro pushes the digital activation to your account, follow the specific guide below for your phone's operating system. So, on Apple iPhone setup, you need to open your settings app, select cellular, tap add eSIM or setup cellular, choose use QR code and scan the QR code provided by Metro. Follow the on-screen prompts to assign your phone number label. On Samsung Galaxy setup, you need to navigate to your settings app, tap connections, then select SIM manager. Tap Add eSIM or tap the plus icon. Choose Scan QR code from service provider. Scan the Metro QR code and follow the setup wizard. For your Google Pixel, you can open your settings menu, select network and internet, then tap SIMs. Select Add SIM or the plus icon and choose Setup on an eSIM. Tap Use a different network to trigger the camera view. Scan the Metro account QR code and confirm download. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.